What's up, guys? Welcome back again to this YouTube channel, and I'm very excited to have all of you here. Now today's episode is a very special one. Now you can all see the set is different today. I've always wanted to come here and engage with you directly, but I've always had problem with my lighting, but that problem is done with. We are done with that lighting problem. That's why I'm here today. Now today's episode is a very special one, but before we proceed, let me start by introducing myself. My name is pelninoisaac. I'm a video creator, I'm an editor, I do drone and aerial footages as well. Now if you are new here to this channel, ensure that you hit that subscribe button, and if you are a returning viewer, I really appreciate the kind of support that you guys have been showing to me. I don't really take it for granted, and that's why I always find time and come back with amazing and interesting content. So YouTube is telling me most of you are watching my videos and have not subscribed. Kindly, if you're watching my video and you haven't subscribed, or if you come back and watch my videos and forget to subscribe, kindly ensure you do that so that you can support this channel and grow together. Now today's episode, it's about @𝙏𝙼𝙖𝙣. Now today is on 2nd of February of 2023. Now we all understand that the Madaraka Express, that is, for those who don't know, Madaraka Express is it a commuter train? Is Madaraka Express a name, or is Madaraka Express a name for the train? Now you guys will help me with that in the comment section. So the Madaraka Express is making a stopover at 𝙏𝙼𝙖. That is the evening train. So there are always two trains that are leaving Nairobi. Is it 2 or 3 trains per day? There are 3 trains per day leaving Nairobi. We have the intercounty train, and then we had the 3 p.m. express train, and we had, is it 8 or I don't know if it's 8 or 10. Now that train, I don't know if it leaves at 8 or 10. Guys will tell me in the comment section. Now the good thing is, now the 3 p.m. train will be making a stopover at 𝙏𝙼𝙖. Now what is so special about 𝙏𝙼𝙖, that this train has decided to make a single stop at 𝙏𝙼 station. I mean, it's interesting. You will leave Nairobi at 3 p.m. and by 6:46 you'll be in 𝙏𝙼𝙖. I mean, that is so good, especially to people like me who always visit 𝙏𝙼𝙖 oftenly. Now I've been to 𝙏𝙼𝙖 for a while. I've visited a lot of places, and I did a video about Lionel sometimes back, and now I'm back with another interesting video about Wildlife Lodge. Now if you want to explore 𝙏𝙼𝙖, I mean, it's good for you to go to these places. You can go to check Lionel Hotel. Lionel Hotel is a hotel located on top of a mountain, approximately some few kilometers from 𝙏𝙼𝙖 town. I mean, it's very close for you to go and have a dinner on top of a mountain, and without charges of park entrance and all that. But also today I want to tell you about Wildlife Lodge. Now Wildlife Lodge, also close to Lionel. It's like a brother and sister. They are not inside the park, and they are not you don't pay park entrance fee so that you can access the park. Now with Wildlife Lodge, it's almost the same, because I mean the hotel is located to the park, but you don't have to use the park entrance so that you can access the hotel. Now the good thing about Wildlife Lodge is that you can even see the wild animals as they dine, as they come and eat, as they come and looking for water. So it's very easy to see them as you enjoy your drinks, as you also take your meal. I mean, it's an interesting place for a safari. And when you sleep at the Wildlife Lodge, it's very easy for you to go to safari in the national park, because it's just a few distance, then you're to the entrance of the park. Now, in this episode, we'll be checking about the Wildlife Lodge. But before you leave, kindly ensure you hit the subscribe button, watch, and like and share. And guys, I thank you so much, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys before you leave. So ensure you hit that subscribe button, like poof.
Tulicheka kule nyuma. Tulizuia mpaka dereva akajua jamaa anaishi. Hiyo gari sikuwa tukasikia mkambonya ama ni mkangi. Unaona ufanye hivi. Sasa unajua ameingia kwa lami. Sasa unakimbia Mungu ni Mungu. Mimi nimechoka. Ninakwambia nimecheka. Dereva hata mimi ndio pia cheka. Gari unajua ni porini. Kapteo wala. Hai.
Watano.
Gari mwanangu ipige system. Gari inaweza.
Siko na doba.
Uko na ngome gani?
Basi. Sema wataka weke taarabu.
Shoga.
Now, one thing I liked about this place is, like, they have not destroyed the natural habitat of the birds. Like, you can hear the birds singing from everywhere. You can see their nests. They are almost there. It's like you're living with them. It's like they are next to you and you enjoy every second, because this place is not noisy, but the only thing that will make you happy is you hearing the birds singing and all those stuffs. And something else I'm sure you guys have realized is because it's that this place it's not that congested during the day. Reason being, most of the visitors are not staying here during the day. Most of the visitors want to go to safari. They want to go see the wildlife, and that's why you will find that this place during the day it's not congested, but immediately it clocks 5 and 6 p.m. a lot of safari ones will be like entering this place, entering and leaving, because I mean, everybody want to sleep somewhere, but they will experience the safari adventure, and they can also get to see wild animals at the same time at no extra cost. So and then something else. There's a temple here in this place. So if you are is it for Indian or do we call them Hindu? Yeah, there's an Hindu temple here. So you can have your prayers here as well, and you can also host your event here. They have a very big land, and not just land, a very big land with green spaces. So it's very easy for you to hold your event here, and also for halls, they have bigger halls for you also to have your event. So it's a very good place. It's a very strategic also for that matter. For those who are also looking for a place to have their team building, their activity, wedding, and such kind of luxury and high-end event. I mean, this is your place. Come here, enjoy this place, enjoy the cuisine, enjoy the wildlife, and enjoy the sauna, enjoy the pool, enjoy the spa, and everything here is good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. I'm really, really happy if you have made it this far. And thank you for watching. And God bless you so much. But before you leave, ensure that you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video.
Get bigger, hustle from my heart, so every night I